presenting the best videos of the week on our channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Back in the early 20th century, most construction accidents happened simply because workers didn't wear helmets. They showed up in regular caps, and about 1 out of every 10 workers ended up with a head injury. Only after 1933 did helmets become mandatory, starting with the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge. Never stand under a boom, a bucket, or a hanging load. Even if it looks secure, hydraulics can fail without warning, and you won't have time to jump away. Some of the most dangerous accidents happen on water. When heavy equipment is moving with a load, keep that load as low as possible. The closer it is to the ground, the more stable the machine is. A raised bucket or a high boom is a straight road to a rollover. Mobile cranes can lift several times their own weight. A 100-ton crane can safely pick up between 150 and 200 tons if all the outriggers are set correctly. But forget just one outrigger, and the crane can collapse like a house of cards. Cranes usually fall not because something breaks, but because of wind. A tower crane starts to sway when gusts hit around 15 to 20 meters per second. If the boom isn't left free to rotate, the wind pushes it like a giant wing, and the whole crane can fold over. Big crane crashes also happen because of wind. There was a case where a dump truck completely lost its brakes on a downhill slope. The driver tried braking too much at the top of the hill, the pads overheated, and just burned out. The only thing that stopped the 20-ton truck was a sand barrier that literally ate its speed. If a truck is going downhill with a heavy load, you brake with the engine, not the pedal. The pedal is only for slight corrections. That's the only way to keep the brakes from overheating. You always need to make sure the ground under the machine is solid. Most rollovers happen not because of the operator, but because the soil under the wheels or tracks simply sinks. If you're not sure, level the area or put down support plates.
Oh my gosh.
Train bumpers aren't just metal blocks. Modern ones work like giant shock absorbers, with hydraulic cylinders inside that soak up the impact.
This is one of those times when giving up is actually the best choice.